Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video we will discuss about the V380 Pro Wi Fi camera setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps. Setting up a V380 Pro Wi Fi camera involves a few steps. In this video we will discuss each and every steps that help you to set up the V380 Pro Wi Fi camera. So don't miss out this video. So let's start the setup video. First of all, go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for V380 Pro and download the app. Install and open the app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the V380 Pro app. Sign up for a new account using your email address or phone number. Log into your account. Connect the camera to a power source using the provided power adapter. Wait for the camera to boot up. You should hear a startup sound or see the indicator light. If the camera has been used before, or if it's not in setup mode, reset it. To reset, press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until you see the indicator light flashing. Go to your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings. Look for the camera's Wi-Fi network, usually named something like MV, CAM, or V380. Connect to this Wi-Fi network, no password required. Once connected, return to the V380 Pro app. In the V380 Pro app, tap the icon to add a new device. Select Add Device and choose Smart Camera or the appropriate option for your camera. The app will search for your camera. When it finds it, tap on it to connect. After connecting to the camera's Wi-Fi, the app will prompt you to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Next. Wait for the camera to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. This may take a few minutes. Once the camera is connected to your home Wi-Fi, you should see the live video feed on your app. You can now rename the camera, set up motion detection, and adjust other settings. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.